Alright, third round. I have no idea who this is. Oh, what do you know, Sagat? Wondering how long it would take before I run into one of these. Oh god. Haha, he failed. Oh, that wasn't even a combo. He just kind of like stopped blocking. Oh boy, that was stupid. I blamed the lag on that. Ah, nice. And that's game. I heard that in G2A it gets better, but it's gonna be a while before I get there. Like another week or so, and school's gonna start soon. Ah, fuck me.